Swerte ba yun? Pang di ka na talaga eh. Wala ba ang drop?
Oo nga eh, ako din nga eh.
Players stand by for court number 4. Don and Ashley Kuma versus Lau Jiayu and Matthew Tan. I repeat, players for court number 4 will stand by. Don and Ashley Kuma versus Lau Jiayu and Matthew Tan.
Ito talaga, pareho na silang may recording.
Magkabilang
Magkabilaan para kita yung out.
nire-record ka.
Uy, hindi nga kita yung out dito eh.
Okay lang.
Parang masyadong mataas.
Hindi, paggabi na ba, makikita na sila. Ang tatlo na naman.
Players, please proceed to court number 6. Francis Pascual and Daryl Barrett versus Pascal and Marisa. I repeat, players for court number 6, please proceed. Francis Pascual and Daryl Barrett versus Pascal and Marisa. For court number 6, Jack and Nick, please line that. Players for court number 5, please proceed. Tyrone Kabir and Kid 3 versus Joey and Irish. I repeat, players for court number 5, please proceed. Tyrone and Kid 3 versus Joey and Irish. For court number 5, Hazel and Simon, please line judge.
Hi, Bella.
Say hello.
Ayun na sa Tita Ses. Tita Ses Molina.
Halika dito.
Babae?
Iniwan ka kaagad ng nanay mo. Bella.
Nagkarap nga tayo. Wala ko lang tayo pa rin. Sama?
Ay, sayang. Tumahimik ka na.
Players for court number 9, please proceed. Darren Lee and Tay Jin Wei versus Daniel Tan and Sharon Tan. I repeat, for court number 9, Darren Lee versus Tay Jin Wei versus Daniel Tan and Sharon Tan. For court number 9, Jefferson and Sharon Tan.
Ay,
Nakahanap sa'yo.
bawal pa ini.
Minor.
Nung nakita mo, nautot ako, parang hindi kasama.
Sorry, Jefferson and Sharon umpire for court number 9. Then Grace and Joel and please line that for court number 9.
Ay, sayang. Hindi. Mga few minutes. Ilibig kita ng isang call. Sayang.
Ang partner dyan, please.
Pero kay Walter yun.
Championship niyo.
Court 7, announcing Court 7. The third and fourth for mixed level C, Al Soriano and Bench Lugo versus Eric Oliver. Ade and Nato, ng Summer JR Raman and Faith Line Judge.
It's okay, Bella. That's Ate Sis. So, Ate Sis Molina.
Narinig lang yung boses eh.
It's okay. Teka, kailangan ko ng sigpas mo lang.
Bakit ako?
Kasi, kulang ako ng quiz. Pero hindi ko mangyayari.
Ah, okay. Akala ko na situan.
Kasi pinupunta ko. Sino nanalo? Oh my God!
Announcing the top 3 for mixed level
Ito ba?